What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to show you how to put together the Vision V70 rack. So starting off, you got to start your wheels in the bottom. Some of them come without wheels and they just got knobs, but we went with wheels because it's nice to be able to roll it if something gets behind it. So you thread it all the way in, and then they give you a wrench to tighten it fully. Some of you might be strong enough without it. You're going to want to do this to all 6 legs. And then you're going to start with the bottom shelf. And you're going to put all 6 poles in it. And that will be the beginning of your rack. And we're just going to give it just a little more at this. And we're good to go. So these will go on each pole. And depending on the rack you have, there's different sizes. The shorter ones for this rack go on the top level. So we already got 5 on. Basically, you just put it on, and it slides down, and then you put the shelf. Next one, you want to make sure this is the track for your heat cable. You want to put them all the same way. And then at the end, you're going to want to run the heat cable through it. We'll show that step. But for now, you put this on. Kind of got to wiggle it a little bit. And once you get it going, you got to kind of tap it around to get it down. So right here, the microphone died, but you're not missing a whole lot. You just missed me pounding it down. So we're going to pound it down to the bottom and get that ready. And then once that's on top of the spacers, you put a new set of spacers on each pole and keep going. Now we're going to connect the bottom half to the top half poles. And to make it easier, so we didn't have to bring the shelf down all the way from the top, we ran the poles in first. And then you basically just screw the top pole into the bottom on each one. And then you could start building your way up. To finish up the rack itself before the heat cable, we put the small top spacer, and then there's a washer with a bolt that will go on top, and that will tie everything tight together. So you thread that in, it will make each section tight, but you don't want to over tighten it where you break something. But basically you just don't want the little poles to move. So right here for the heat cable, we got 2 sets, and we have it run through 1 cable on the left and 1 cable on the right. And the bottom 7 sections we have lined up like this. And then as we go up, the top 4 we have like this, and then the cord at the end of the heat cable reaches right to the top, and we plug it into a surge protector, and we have each rack on its own probe. I hope this was beneficial. Thanks for watching our rack assembly video. Please like and subscribe.